The Very Best Basket. In a bustling farmer's market, there were 4 berry friends: Blue the blueberry, Raspberry the raspberry, Strawberry the strawberry, and Blackie the blackberry. They loved being together, but people often underestimated them because of their small size. One day, a kind farmer arranged them in a beautiful berry basket and displayed them proudly. Shoppers were amazed by their vibrant colors and delicious flavors. The 4 berries realized that they were the very best team and that true worth goes beyond appearances. Are you ready for the next story?
Do not forget to like and subscribe the video.